Okay, in this video I'm taking the clamps off of these table legs I made. I made them out of a 4-inch by 8-foot piece of pine board, or maybe 2 of those. And then I cut them on the band, so I'll mark them with a pencil and a straight edge how I wanted them to be. And I connected them with 3 biscuits inside their biscuit cuts. 1, 2, and 3. Seems to hold pretty strong. I'll probably sand this edge and this a little bit. Maybe take out some of that and stain it and coat it, and it should be good. That's the first one. I didn't really see any gaps in my glue joint. That's the second one. And perhaps once I get them on a table top that I made these for, I'll give you a photo of that too. That second one seems pretty nice. I'll have to make sure they're all cut flush here and each one is the same height. Here I'll have to do a little sanding where the dirt on the clamp got on there. This one seems pretty good too. You got that right angle glued together there, gives it strength, and yet it's a pretty light wood. What I might also do with these is run a piece of oak about square to here, the center from there into there, just to give it strength if I wanted to. I may not. But what I thought would be neat is just to have a little piece of oak here to give it some more abrasion resistance at the foot of it. Third one looked good. Let's take a look at the fourth. Well, that looks pretty good too. Pretty strong. I don't really see any gaps in there. Alrighty. And this is the tabletop they're going to be holding up. I'm going to affix them to the underside of this. I haven't determined yet completely, but this is a pallet wood. Something came on a pallet and I salvaged this wood. Oh, and that's a process. You got to pull out all the nails, pry everything apart with a pry bar. But I really like the look of this tabletop.